In this BaseCamp demonstration, we're going to show how to edit a track. So I have a track right here. So I'm going to hover over top of that track with my pointer. I'm going to right mouse click and choose to insert into track. And a point's inserted, and I can place that point wherever I want. So I'm going to left mouse click to drop it here. You can see how it has changed the track. So I'm going to do that anywhere along here and add points. I can also move a point, so let's move this one here. I'm going to hover over it, then I'm going to right mouse click and go move track point. And now wherever I move this to, it will move that point to. So I'm going to left mouse click and move it over here. And I can also delete points by hovering over top of a point, right mouse clicking, and go delete track point. Another way to do things is I'm going to double click the track itself, which then opens this table that shows all the points within here. I can choose single points and delete them if I want, or I'm going to hold the shift key down and choose a number of those points. Then I'm going to right mouse click and go delete. And the entire section is deleted. Really, that's all there is to it.